X Twitter isn't just a social media app, it's one of the fastest platforms to turn a simple tweet into a real affiliate commissions if you know how to play the algorithm. Today, I'm going to show you the exact method creators use to get 1,000 of impressions, drive clicks, and make sales without having a big following. I have used this strategy to get a consistent traffic, and the best part, it works with any niche, any service, and any product, and completely for free. So if you want the full X blueprint from viral style tweet to link placement that converts, stay till the end and make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions. I'll show you step by step how you can promote your affiliate links on X for free using free traffic. I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years, and I'm making over $30,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'll share with you my method with X Twitter that you can copy and paste. Okay, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just this month, guys, the month of November, I have made $35,625. Okay, this is my commissions, my clicks, my CTR, people who used my affiliate link to sign up to this website that I will share with you, and people who used my affiliate link to buy those services that I will share with you. And just last month, I have made $34,910, and it's paid. This is my invoice. This is the payment. You can see everything here, okay? And it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. Anyway, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing and promote affiliate links on X, Twitter, step number one, you guys need to join an affiliate marketing program like this one, okay? So, and create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, it's super easy and simple. The best one and the profitable one that I'm working with is Fiverr. So just go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So once you finish, you should have an account like this one, and of course it's for free. So what you will do, you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down and go to company over here and click on affiliate like this, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea and get more information about how much you will earn for each service you will start promoting with Fiverr, because we will start promoting services as a Fiverr affiliate marketers. The best part, guys, with this affiliate marketing business that they are paying really good commissions. Some commissions, guys, can be up to 70% of the first orders, which is really crazy. And the best part is that they keep paying you 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So for example, if a person buys a service from your affiliate link, you will earn a good commission for his first order. If this person, the same person, will keep buying more services on Fiverr for the next 12 months, you will keep earning 10% revenue share for each transaction this person will make on Fiverr. So you can turn this affiliate marketing business into a passive income. Okay? Anyway, so for people who want to join, just go back to this page and just click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you will do next, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and confirm your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? Say yes, and here you need to put your Facebook page link here, or your Pinterest page link, or your Twitter X page link, or your YouTube channel link, so your account can get approved fast. And you will click here on country and search for your country from here. You can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and so on. And click over here to choose your language and put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. What you need to do next is you need to promote those affiliate links, those services as an affiliate marketer on X Twitter. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you will go to Google, okay, and you will search for X Twitter like this, X or X Twitter, and click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one, okay, with X, like this one. And by the way, guys, you should know that X Twitter has 4 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from X, okay? It's really also a good social media platforms for affiliate marketers, and you can find a lot of clients, customers, people who will be interested to buy services or products from you inside X, okay? So don't sleep on this. Like 4 billion monthly visitors, it's a lot of traffic. A lot of people are using this social media platform, okay? So pay close attention. Click on the search and search for I need logo, okay? I need logo, and click on this one, latest, okay? So you can find latest posts that are posted today on X, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of people searching for logo designer. Look at this one. I need logo. My budget is $300. Just 1 hour ago, he posted this tweet. I need a logo designer. Here is another one. I need a logo. My budget is $200. I need logo. My budget is $300. $300, $200, and so much more. Look how many people searching for logo designer. You see this? So pay close attention right now. What you will do next for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage and search for logo design. It's already popular right now on Fiverr. So this service, you should know that this service has high demand, okay? Click on this one. Search for logo design. Scroll down. You will find a lot of people here who provide this service on Fiverr. What you need to do next for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer is you need to choose good sellers. How we can choose good sellers? Always choose like top rated sellers, level 2 sellers, and pro sellers. Why? Because those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, people will buy from you because they will check their profile, they will check the customer feedback, and if they find that those sellers are good sellers, they are providing good service, of course they will buy for you. You will earn a commission. So it's clear. So let's choose, for example, one. I'm going to choose like this one. This one is pro seller, which is really good. Like this one is a good one. I will click on this one. Just click on the seller service that you want to use, and you will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr, okay? This is the proof. You guys can see 25 orders in queue. Look how many people paid for this service, meaning that this service, guys, has high demand, okay? You cannot guess in which products to promote and just keep promoting products randomly. You will struggling and you will never make any commissions like this. You need to promote services that people are already searching for. You need to promote services that has high demand, okay? That's how we can win. That's how we can scale this affiliate marketing business. You look how many people paid for this one. Over 12,000 people paid for this service, guys. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. That's why they keep coming back. What you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click here on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. You will be directly in this page over here. So what you will do next, you will click on deep link and put this seller profile link here, like this, paste, and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So this will be your affiliate link, this one, Fiverr Pro new plan, because you are promoting pro services. If you are promoting pro services, this always will be your affiliate link from here. You can copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated sellers, this will be your affiliate link. Fiverr marketplace new plan, this one, you can copy your affiliate link from here. For me, guys, I have this option, Fiverr Step A old plan, because like I said in the beginning of the video, that I have been doing this business, guys, for over 6 years. That's why I still have this option, but that's fine. This option, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan, is if it's even better, okay? This one is a good one, okay? So what you will do next, guys, you need to promote this affiliate link on X Twitter, okay? And by the way, guys, if you are serious about starting affiliate marketing and you want a clear step-by-step system, I put everything I personally do inside my course. Which services I'm promoting, where I promote those services, the exact strategy I use to generate consistent affiliate commissions every single day. Inside the course, I show you how you can start from zero, how to pick a profitable niches, how to set everything up the right way, and how you can scale, and so much more. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video's description, and they will send you all the details. Okay, so let's promote this affiliate link on Twitter. We have Fiverr Pro new plan. So this is our affiliate link. So what we will do next, we will go to X Twitter, okay? And let's choose, for example, like this one. Just posted this post today. He is searching for logo designer. His budget is $300, which is good. So I will click here on reply, okay? And I will reply to this person. So what I will do next is I will go to ChatGPT, to AI. I will use AI, guys. I will click here and I will ask ChatGPT create. So just go to ChatGPT and ask him create an engaging reply for X Twitter post who search for logo designer with the link of pro logo designers. Okay, and here you go. Here is your reply. If you need a clean, modern, and professional logo, check this out. Okay, these designers consistently deliver top tier work and fast. You can see here you have everything. So what you will do next? Copy this. Okay, copy this reply, go back to X Twitter and post this reply here. Okay, and here this link, what you need to do is you need to put your affiliate link here. Of course, you will not put your affiliate link directly here. You need to put your affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website. Then you will put your affiliate website link here or your landing page link. So you can keep promoting your affiliate links in a safe way on X and earn commissions. If you are promoting affiliate links directly, your account can get banned and you will keep struggling with this. Okay, so go and create a landing page. It's for free, or create an affiliate website. You can also create an affiliate website for free that you can use to promote your affiliate links on X. Okay, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and you will copy your affiliate link from here, this one, Fiverr Pro, from here, and you will put this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website. Like I said, once you finish, you will put, for example, this will be, for example, this is your affiliate website link, and you will click on a reply. Okay, and this person who is searching for logo designer, he will see your reply, he will click on your link. If he click on your link, he will be directly in this seller profile link. Okay, he will see that this seller is pro seller. He has a lot of reviews, 24 orders in queue, which is good. So he will buy this service from you and you will earn a commission. That's exactly how you can promote affiliate links on X Twitter. Okay, guys, I shared with you almost everything here. Everything. Okay, I shared with you everything. Which affiliate program to join, which service you need to promote, where you can promote this service, to how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from you. So what's left? You just need to go and start. Just go and start and stay consistent and promote. You can promote a lot of services, not just logo design. Okay, look, people searching for logo designer and they are putting their budget here. Look, if you keep scrolling down here, you can find a lot of people searching for logo designer. Okay, and that's it. Also, guys, this system that I'm teaching inside my course is also helping my students to make commissions. If you go to my YouTube posts here, you can see my student results. Like this student, Mike, made $5,000 and 361. I have this student here made 8,145, and I have this student made his first $50 with affiliate marketing. Because this affiliate program, guys, is paying good commissions. So for example, let me show you. If this, guys, if you remember that this is a pro service. Okay, so for the basic package, it's starting from $130. So if you remember, pro services, you will earn up to 70% of the first order. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and ask him, okay, what is 70% of 130? Just the basic package, guys. Keep in your mind that this is just for the basic package, because people can buy the standard package and the premium package. You will earn even more. Look, just for the basic package, guys, from one single customer, you will earn $91. Okay, which is a really good commissions. It's a really good, like it's good. It's almost $100 a day. If you get two customers, it's almost $200 a day. So it's a really good commissions. That's why this business, this is the best and the profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you guys in my next videos.